This is the Shawnee Commission, an E.C.D custom Series 3 2+2 Coupe Jaguar Etype, built to our client's exact specification. The Shawnee Commission is painted in full gloss Porsche graphite blue with chrome accents. The Shawnee Commission sits on premium 16-inch wire wheels with Michelin performance tyres. The Series 3 also features a chrome front bumper and LED lighting all round. Inside, the Shawnee Commission features a Momo Heritage Super Grand Prix steering wheel with chrome spokes and mold bomber gauges. The 4 seats in this Series 3 are finished in a deep small weave Spinnybeck veloute pelle leather stitched together in brown and tan. The Shawnee Commission is powered by our GM LT1 450 horsepower engine. This Series 3 also features an array of modern touches, such as classic style stereo with retro sound speakers, air conditioning and USB charging ports throughout.